Traveling Kangaroo. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: the best cities and countries for software developers to maximize their earning potential, enjoy a high quality of life, and whether you're a seasoned developer looking to relocate or a new graduate exploring opportunities, this guide will provide you with valuable insights into the most promising destinations for tech professionals. When deciding where to move or work, software developers need to consider multiple factors. It's not just about salaries, though high pay is a huge plus. A vibrant tech ecosystem with startups, established tech giants, and research opportunities can significantly boost your career prospects. Beyond that, aspects like safety, healthcare, cost of living, and even the weather can impact your daily life. Tax rates and visa processes also play a crucial role, as streamlined systems can make relocating much easier for international professionals. Singapore is a fantastic destination, not only for software developers, but also for expats in general. Known for its business-friendly policies, this city-state offers a low-tax environment for both individuals and corporations. Singapore is a major hub in Asia, providing exceptional connectivity with direct flights to major cities in Asia, Europe, and the Americas. This makes it a strategic location for developers working with global teams or frequently traveling for business. What sets Singapore apart is its English-speaking environment, which makes it an attractive option compared to hubs like Tokyo or Bangkok. The country's straightforward visa and work permit system make it relatively easy for high-skilled professionals to gain permanent residency. Additionally, Singapore boasts a high standard of living, with excellent public transportation, healthcare, and safety. While the cost of living can be high, the quality of life more than compensates for it. Australia consistently ranks as one of the best countries in the world for quality of life, and software developers here can enjoy some of the highest salaries globally. The country's relaxed lifestyle, clean environment, and multicultural cities like Sydney and Melbourne make it a favorite for expats. Australia also provides a clear pathway to permanent residency and citizenship, which is a significant draw for professionals looking for stability. Although the initial visa and work permit process can be daunting, many international professionals choose to study in Australia first and secure employment afterward. This strategy not only simplifies the immigration process, but also helps new arrivals integrate into the local job market. However, it's important to note that housing costs, especially in major cities, can be a challenge. Renting or buying in Sydney or Melbourne requires careful financial planning, even with a competitive salary. The United Kingdom, particularly London, is a leading destination for software engineers. London is a global connectivity hub with direct flights to nearly every major region, making it a strategic choice for developers working in international teams. The UK offers some of the highest salaries for tech professionals in Europe, and London's wages are even higher. One advantage of working in the UK is its relatively smooth path to permanent residency and citizenship, making it an attractive option for professionals looking for long-term opportunities. Additionally, the UK's strong business ecosystem, access to venture capital, and abundance of networking opportunities make it an excellent place to launch or advance a tech career. While London's high cost of living is a downside, the professional opportunities often outweigh this challenge. Switzerland is a dream destination for many software developers, thanks to its exceptionally high salaries and unmatched quality of life. The country is known for its world-class healthcare, breathtaking scenery, and outstanding safety. Switzerland's central location in Europe makes it easy to travel to neighboring countries like Germany, France, and Italy for both work and leisure. What makes Switzerland even more appealing is its tax-friendly environment. Compared to other European countries, taxes here are relatively low, allowing professionals to retain more of their earnings. However, it's worth noting that obtaining citizenship in Switzerland is more complex than in many other nations, making it less ideal for those looking for a quick route to permanent residency. It's impossible to discuss top destinations for software developers without mentioning the United States. The U.S. is home to the world's largest tech companies, from Google and Apple to Tesla and Amazon. With its thriving startup culture, Silicon Valley and other tech hubs like Austin, Seattle, and Boston provide endless opportunities for software engineers at all career stages. The U.S. offers some of the highest salaries globally for software developers, but the cost of living can vary widely depending on the city. While tech hubs like San Francisco and New York offer incredible job prospects, their high costs for housing, transportation, and taxes can be a challenge. Securing a work visa for the U.S. often involves months of waiting and navigating complex legal processes. However, for those who succeed, the career and financial rewards are unparalleled. Ireland is one of Europe's fastest-growing nations, making it a fantastic choice for software developers. Dublin, in particular, has become a major tech hub, hosting the European headquarters of companies like Google, Facebook, PayPal, and Airbnb. This has created a thriving international community and a wealth of job opportunities for software engineers. Ireland's relatively low bureaucracy and English-speaking environment make it an appealing destination for expats. However, it's important to keep in mind that personal taxes in Ireland are on the higher side, and the windy, rainy weather might not suit everyone. Despite these drawbacks, the career opportunities and quality of life make Ireland a top contender for tech professionals. When choosing a destination, don't forget to think about long-term career growth. Some countries like Singapore and Switzerland are excellent for building professional networks, while others like the U.S. offer a wide range of roles at the cutting edge of technology. Additionally, countries with clear pathways to permanent residency, like Australia and the UK, can provide stability and a sense of belonging for those looking to settle down. Also explore the growing trend of remote work hubs. Cities like Lisbon, Bali, and Tbilisi are becoming popular among digital nomads, including software developers. These locations offer affordable living, high-speed internet, and vibrant expat communities. While they may not have the same job opportunities as traditional tech hubs, they can be excellent options for freelancers or remote workers seeking a change of scenery. Thank you for joining us on Traveling Kangaroo. Whether you're planning to relocate, work abroad, or simply explore new opportunities, we're here to guide you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights and tips. See you next time on Traveling Kangaroo.